in ancient Hindu philosophy, we have the description of koshas. There are 5 koshas, and these are layers of energy around the body. I would like to concentrate on the first 3, the Annamaya kosha, the Pranamaya kosha, and the Manomaya kosha. All the 5 koshas are interchangeable and they have a whole lot of connectivity between each other. But then it is very much necessary to understand the first 3 because it's all about your lifestyle and the way you control your mind, emotions, food, exercise, and this is what is very, very important today. The Annamaya kosha is the innermost layer of energy, which is basically what comes into your body in terms of food, which gets accumulated and that produces energy. The Pranamaya kosha is the physiological effect that the Annamaya kosha has brought about. The heart beating, the lungs working, the oxygenation, your heart rate and the blood pressure, everything is based on the Pranamaya kosha. The Manomaya kosha is your mental energy or the intelligence and the emotional factors. This has a lot to do with your mind, but it is not that everything belongs to the mind. There is a whole lot of intelligence that is already there in the body, an innate intelligence that has come from the genes, which is there in every cell of our body, and they have their own behavior. So every cell knows what function it has to do and how it has to react, whether it is a brain cell or a skin cell or an intestinal cell. Now, the mind has its own capacity to give a thought process, and then this has a huge effect on the whole koshas. So it is very important to calm down and to stay in a very good mindset. There is a lot of stress that comes to our body, and all this stress has a whole lot to do with the neuroendocrine system or the autonomic nervous system. So we have the sympathetic and the parasympathetic. And when we are stressed out in your mind, when you have worries, when you have tension, you start stimulating the sympathetic system. And when there is an increase in sympathetic system, a lot of hormones are secreted the way the sympathetic nerves stimulate the endocrine organs. And these hormones have a deleterious effect on the immune system of the body. So what we need to do is reduce the stimulation of the sympathetic system and increase the parasympathetic system stimulation. And this we can do by various ways. The first and foremost is to start living in the present. Give up your worries, give up your tension, relax, do whatever it takes to relax. Listen to music, calm down, stay quiet, stay in a silent place. Listen to whatever music that you like, watch whatever videos you like, see whatever pictures you like, and everything that is pleasant to your senses calms down your mind. Beyond this, you can talk about meditation. There are umpteen number of ways that you can meditate. The easiest way is to just calmly sit in one place and observe your breath, not thinking of anything. If there are thoughts that come to your mind, you just watch them and then just relax. So by doing all this, you are trying to change the reaction in your neuroendocrine system and change the hormones that are being produced in your body and change the type of blood cells that are being produced. When you have more steroids, you do not have enough WBCs being produced. When you reduce the steroids, you have a lot of these immune cells and immune bodies being produced in the body, and thus your immune system is geared to fight COVID-19. The effect of meditation can be increased by recitation of certain mantras. These mantras are something that has been discovered over centuries, and they are what brings out a lot of positivity in our body. And this is what connects us to the rest of the universe. The mantras are also called Mahamantras. We have a whole lot of them. Some of the ones which I want to tell you today is about the Mrutyunjaya mantra. This is something that keeps illness out and keeps mortality out. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Mandanan Mrutyor Mukshiyama Amrutat. Certain other Mahamantras, Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Namah Shivaya. We can just recite small words which are very powerful, like Rama. Rama is a word that has come out of two Mahamantras. Om Namo Narayanaya. The letter Ra in this has the most power in the whole mantra. Om Namah Shivaya. The letter Ma in this has the highest power. And Rama is a combination of these two most powerful letters of the two Mahamantras. We also have Gayatri mantra. Om Bhur Swaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Scientifically, it has been shown that doing fMRIs, we have a whole lot of vibrations, a whole lot of activity inside the brain when this mantra is being recited. And today we are able to prove scientifically that these mantras are really affecting the body, bringing in good positive effects in the neuroendocrine mechanism and helping us build a lot of good immunity to fight COVID-19. The other thing that is important to calm down your mind is to sleep well. In fact, sleep could be a result of calming down your mind. You need to have enough sleep, and you need to do whatever is necessary to bring in that sleep. You have to reduce your stress levels. You have to find enough time. You should sleep 7 to 8 hours a day, and that is when the immune system responds to an optimal level.